Hyderabadi keema. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I am Zai, and today we are going to make a very famous dish from Hyderabad which is called as Hyderabadi keema. It's a very popular dish in Hyderabad, and if you visit Hyderabad, you will find this dish in many places. Let's quickly go through the ingredients of this dish. To make Hyderabadi keema, we require around 500 grams of mutton mince, half cup yogurt or dahi, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 2 to 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 black peppercorns, 3 medium onions chopped, 1 inch ginger piece chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 large tomato chopped, 1 boiled egg, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh coriander leaves. To begin with, we'll marinate the mutton mince first. So now we'll take the mutton mince in a bowl, to which we'll add some yogurt, salt, turmeric powder and garlic paste. We'll mix this well. Now why we have marinated this mutton mince in yogurt is, yogurt contains some amount of acid, and when you mix the acid with the mutton mince, it will help the mutton mince to tenderize and the mutton mince will cook faster. The mutton mince is nicely mixed. Now we'll set this aside for at least 1 hour to marinate. To begin with, we'll take some oil in a non-stick pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, we'll add the cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds begin to start change the color, we'll add black cardamom, some cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon, black peppercorns and onion. After adding the onions, we'll mix it nicely and we'll saute till the onions are nice and golden brown in color. The onions are nice and golden brown. It's time to add some ginger, green chilies, some red chili powder, coriander powder. We'll mix this well. After we mix this, we'll add the tomatoes. Mix it well. And we'll saute this till the fat is separated from the masala and the tomatoes are nice and pulpy. In this recipe, we are going to use boiled egg for the garnish. It is very important to boil the egg nicely. Otherwise, what happens is, normally you see a greyish ring around the yolk. That is because the sulfur in the white reacts with the iron in the egg yolk, and that's why the ring is formed. To avoid the formation of the ring, it is very important to boil the eggs for 10 minutes. If you want to hard boil them for around 10 minutes in the boiling water along with salt and some vinegar, and immediately put them in chilled water to avoid the carryover cooking. Now what is carryover cooking? Carryover cooking is cooking of the eggs because of the heat inside them. So if you want to avoid the excess cooking of the eggs, you need to put them in chilled water to stop the excess cooking. And that is how you boil the hard-boiled eggs. As you can see, the tomatoes are nice and pulpy and the oil is separated from the masala. Now we'll add the marinated mince and we'll sear it on high heat for around 5 to 7 minutes. The mutton mince is seared nicely. It's been seared for around 5 to 7 minutes now. Now what we need to do is, we need to reduce the flame, need to cover the pan and cook it till the mince is completely cooked. After which, we will garnish it with boiled egg and fresh coriander. Hyderabadi keema is ready. Serve it hot, garnished with boiled egg and coriander.